The era of typing prompts into a chat box is officially dead. OpenAI just dropped a massive update that completely changes how humans and computers interact, and 99% of businesses are completely unprepared for it. What you are looking at is the official launch of the production-ready voice agent suite, powered by GPT-4o Realtime. We are finally saying goodbye to clunky, lagging robotic chatbots. This new architecture delivers speech-to-speech reasoning with less than 300 milliseconds of latency. It understands tone, it handles human interruptions naturally, and it processes logic instantly. Your business, your operating system, and your daily workflows can now literally speak AI. But having access to this incredible API is completely useless if you don't actually know how to build and deploy the agents. That is exactly why you need to stop consuming AI news and start building. And there is only one place on the internet doing it at this level: the AI Money Forge. Our private school community is the ultimate command center for serious AI entrepreneurs. We just dropped a massive update, and if you look inside our classroom, you aren't just getting basic tutorials. You are getting my exact step-by-step standard operating procedures. I am showing you exactly how to build these complex AI agent workflows from scratch. We cover how to define the business outcome, how to set up your tool stack, how to design the multi-agent roles, and how to build the execution loops. We are teaching you how to take frontier models and turn them into fully autonomous digital employees. But the education is just phase one. When you become a VIP member, you unlock the Forge Arsenal. This is our proprietary, highly curated database of over 1,000 battle-tested AI tools, scripts, and ready-to-deploy blueprints. You get immediate access to the exact tech stacks I use, like OpenClaw Core, Moltbot, and massive automation bridges. We even provide the frameworks to build your front end through Forge Studio, so you can craft premium landing pages and actually sell these AI systems to high-paying clients. We give you the skills to build the machine and the blueprints to sell it. So let's jump back into the voice AI architecture and see how you can actually deploy this. You have two main frameworks to choose from. You can use a chain pipeline, which gives you maximum control for enterprise compliance, or you can use the ultra-low latency speech-to-speech model for pure natural conversations. The industry applications are staggering: 24/7 autonomous support agents, voice-powered real estate search, patient triage in healthcare, and real-time translation bridges. And the most insane part? The barrier to entry has completely collapsed. If you look at the new Agents SDK, it literally takes just 3 lines of Python code to instantiate a production-ready voice pipeline. You import the agent, define the system prompt, wrap it in a voice pipeline, and run it from zero to a fully functional voice assistant in under 2 minutes. But what happens when you connect this real-time voice intelligence directly to your computer's operating system? Watch this live demo of Codex Voice running natively on a Mac. We are speaking directly to the AI, instructing it to configure a new workspace session with full access permissions and maximum reasoning effort. Then we give it the ultimate command. We ask it to use computer vision to open Apple Music and play a specific song. The AI processes the audio, translates our intent into system-level commands, takes control of the mouse and keyboard, opens the application, searches for the exact track, and hits play. 0 human hands required. This is complete, autonomous, voice-driven desktop control.
Hi, how's it going?
It's going well. I'd like you to create a new session called Demo. And in it, I'd like you to create a chat called, let's call it Celebration. And I want that chat to have full access permissions and to use GPT 5.3 Codex Spark at high reasoning effort.
All set. You've got a new session named Demo, the chat called Celebration with full access permissions, using GPT 5.3 Codex Spark at high reasoning effort.
Awesome.
Ready?
So I'd like you to open Apple Music using computer use, and please play the song Celebration to celebrate GPT 5.5 and to celebrate this finally working.
All set. It's working on opening Apple Music and playing Celebration for you now.
Do you like that song?
I think it's a fun, upbeat classic.
Me too.
Hey Jarvis, how are you doing today?
Hi Michael, doing well. What would you like to work on today?
Please find my demo project in Todoist and find which tasks are due today.
I'll check your demo project and then look at today's tasks. I found your demo project and it has one task due today. Test task for demo.
And finally, let's look at how this integrates into a professional tech stack. Meet Jarvis, a custom voice agent wired directly into our project management APIs. I simply ask it, find my demo project in Todoist and tell me what tasks are due today. The agent autonomously hits the Todoist API, retrieves the data, and reads it back to me. I then tell it, mark that task as completed. It executes the command instantly. I tell it, add a brand new task to publish the recording of this demo and make it due today. The AI handles the entire complex workflow flawlessly, updating the live database in real time, all through a simple, natural conversation. This technology is going to replace entire departments. You are either going to learn how to build these autonomous systems, or you are going to be outpaced by the people who do. Do not get left behind. Click the very first link in the description, join the AI Money Forge, unlock the classroom and the arsenal, and start building your AI empire today. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you on the inside.